In this video, we're looking at some English grammar mistakes and also some preposition differences. Make sure you download my new English prepositions booklet from the video description. And I also have a course about English prepositions, which I have linked in the video description as well. So make sure you check that out. Okay, let's get started. So the first tip is to do with prepositions. Disappointed with and disappointed in. They are both correct. The difference between them is very small, but it's quite important. We usually use disappointed with when talking about a thing, a result, or a situation. So it means you're unhappy with how something turned out. For example, I was disappointed with the food at the restaurant. I was not happy with how the food tasted. She was disappointed with her exam results. She was not happy about her results. We're disappointed with the hotel. Again, we were not happy. We didn't like the hotel. Now, disappointed in has a different meaning. We normally use it when talking about a person and their behavior, when you're not happy with something that they did. I'm disappointed in you for lying to me. I'm unhappy with how you behaved. I'm not happy with what you did. I'm disappointed in my friend for breaking his promise. Again, I'm unhappy with my friend's behavior. The coach was disappointed in the players for not trying harder. So he was unhappy with their behavior. Now let's compare a couple of sentences. I'm disappointed in my brother. So my brother's behavior upset me. I wasn't happy with what he did. I'm disappointed with my brother's test results. So I'm unhappy about a situation. The next mistake we're going to focus on is using meant to incorrectly. So there are two ways to use meant to. I meant to do something. I was meant to do something. They have slightly different meanings. I meant to do something means I intended to do it. It was my plan to do something. And usually we use it to talk about something that I intended to do, but I didn't do it. For example, I meant to call you, but I forgot. So I intended to call you. It was my plan to call you, but I didn't do it because I forgot. I meant to send the email yesterday, but I forgot. So again, I intended to do it. It was my plan, but I didn't do it. I forgot to do it. So I meant to is about my own thoughts and decisions, but I was meant to is a bit different. It is not about my own thoughts or decisions. It's more about something that somebody else expects to happen. Someone else's decisions. Someone decided I should do something, and it is my duty or responsibility to do it. I am expected to do something. For example, I was meant to start work on Monday. So I got a new job, and my boss decided that Monday is my first day. So I was expected to start on Monday. I was meant to start on Monday. He was meant to call you at 5 o'clock. So you expected him to call you. He was meant to bring our tickets to the theatre. So we as a group decided that it was his responsibility to bring the tickets. So we expected him to do it. He was meant to do it. Now let's compare a couple of sentences. He meant to call me, so he intended to call me. It was his plan. He was meant to call me. I expected him to call me. I meant to finish the report. I intended to finish it. It was my plan, my idea to do it. I was meant to finish the report. I was expected to do it. My boss expected me to finish it. Now, the third mistake is confusing yet and still. They are very similar, but we use them differently. Are you still working there? Are you working there yet? These sentences are very different. Still means that something continues to happen. The situation has not changed. It continues. So are you still working there? I'm asking if your situation has changed or if it continues. Yet is a bit different, and it means we expect something to happen, but it hasn't happened so far. So are you working there yet? We expect you to start working there, and I'm asking if you have started or not. But there is another difference between them when they are in a negative sentence. Look at these two. You haven't done the washing up yet. You still haven't done the washing up. The meaning is very different. The washing up is waiting, it's not done, but there is a difference in tone. The first sentence is quite neutral. I am just describing the situation. The washing up is still dirty, and that's fine. But in the second sentence, I'm a little bit annoyed or impatient. You still haven't done it, so it's a little bit annoying. Don't forget to get my free English prepositions booklet from the video description, or sign up for my English prepositions course, which I've also linked in the video description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!